Hello friends, welcome back. Welcome if you're new. I'm Tammy, and for today's do-it-yourself vlog video, I am going to be showing you a friend-friendly Dollar Tree DIY. Now, if that sounds interesting, make sure you keep watching. Don't forget, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright my friends, let's get this DIY project started. We're using these two Dollar Tree hurricane vase, a stemless wine vase, my Hobby Lobby gems, mirror tile from BeeBeeCraft, and you guys, a portion of this video is actually sponsored by BeeBeeCraft. But we're just going to glue these pieces together. And you guys, I'm not going to do much talking in this video because I need to save my voice. But I do want to tell you guys, thank you guys so much for your loyal love and support. Make sure you're talking to me down in the comments. Let me know what you like about the video, what you don't like about the video. I do read all of the comments and I appreciate each and every one of you. And thank you guys, because we're on that road to that 50K, and I just want you to know none of this would have been possible without you. So you guys, I just want you to know so very much that your girl loves and appreciates each and every one of you. And once again, a portion of this video is sponsored by BeeBeeCraft. I'm dropping all of BeeBeeCraft's information down in that description. And if you would like to partner with BeeBeeCraft, make sure you do click that link. The only qualifications is you have to have 100 subscribers. That's it, that's all. So, if you're a content creator and would like to partner with them, do hit that description box for that information. Also, keep in mind, I always keep useful information for you guys down in that description box. I list a few affiliate links and discount codes. It does not cost you anything extra to click on those links or use those codes, you guys. I'll just receive a small commission if you do. So do make sure you click that link. Now, all of the DIYs you do see here featured on GlamQueenofDIY, you guys, you will see them styled on Her Home Is, and we're going to bring a few of the home decor to the DIY channel as well, and it's going to be specifically gendered or niched for this channel. as we're coming to the end of this friendly Dollar Tree DIY craft. You guys, thank you so much for watching up until this point. Thank you once again for all of your love and support. Your girl truly do appreciate it. Now you guys, don't forget to make sure that you also check out Her Home Is, and you're going to start seeing content coming into that blog channel. We're going to gear all the channels up for content. Now, if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.